Hi, and welcome to Talking Tech. I'm your host, Alejandro Hoyos, and today we're here at CES 2026 in Las Vegas. And right now we're at the Intel booth, and with us we have Craig. Hey, Craig, how's it going?
Oh, always a pleasure. Thanks a lot, Alex.
Great to see you. I see a lot of AI applications, so please tell us.
We got a ton. And on the dawn of the launch of our latest and greatest next generation AI PC, we figured it was great to roll out all the great new AI capabilities that we have this year. Obviously, agentic was a huge one that we talked about in 2025, and us working with all of our ISV partners and across the ecosystem that we have with AI, now you're able to use those features in basically the software that we use every day on your AI PC. And a couple of examples that we have here up on the wall. So all of our systems that we have on the side are feeding these directly. And we have examples for AI like security that we have with Norton 360, creation apps like Blender and DaVinci Resolve Studio that we're seeing here. We're able to automatically mask out our subjects, change colors, and add different effects with motion tracking, all done by AI. And then some amazing agentic workflows that we have with the AI Super Builder capabilities and all the amazing new things around agentic AI with MCP as well. So really a new way to make APIs, the new way to talk between AI agents and really get that amazing capability where AI is doing things for you. Well, instead of you doing things for AI all the time, right? So less toys, more tools. And you'll be able to use all that here in 2026 with our latest generation of Panther Lake.
No, that is great. Panther Lake has different types of AI accelerators, right? We have the GPU. And
we have our GPU, which is hugely increased with its tops this year, as well as the NPU, which is a great target for that battery efficiency with AI capabilities. So if you're doing AI all day long, like think about our Teams calls, eliminating your backgrounds, or even doing long render cases where we're looking at long visual sets over a long period of time, the NPU is perfect because it just takes those long elongated workloads and makes them really smooth. And that's how we're getting the amazing battery life that we're famous for now on x86 with our latest generation last of Series 2. And now with our Series 3, we're looking at up to 27 hours of battery life in some cases by just using the lower power island of our capabilities there. So again, a huge bump up on all our AI capabilities, but every single target of the system has all been elevated. Even Panther Lake can do some things that our previous generation, Lunar before it, couldn't do, which is now we're able to allocate, first of all, more than 32 gigs of memory. And what now that allows you to do is that I can take the overall system memory that we have, and so up to 64 gigabytes of memory, up to 128 in some cases, depending on the platform. And I can go ahead and allocate that directly to the GPU. So all those amazing tops that we have there to process our AI workflows, well, we can do the largest and most accurate models than we'd ever been able to do locally on our AI PC before. Instead of 7 to 8 billion parameters for the previous generation, 30 to 70 billion parameters for the first time running locally on a thin and light PC that you can take everywhere.
That is awesome. Who could have thought now you can actually have those such big LLMs running locally? That's amazing.
Yep. Previously something that could only happen in the cloud, and now you're taking them with you everywhere. And to match that with amazing battery life and the gaming capabilities that we have in this system is the one you're going to want in your backpack.
Yeah, this is going to be definitely a great overall platform there. I can't wait to try it.
It's going to be awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, sir.